Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in, so open Settings and tap your name, sign in if prompted. Once signed in, go to Media and Purchases, then View Account to display your Apple balance. Make sure two-factor authentication is completed. You need access to your trusted device or phone number. If you have multiple Apple ID, verify the correct one, otherwise funds might appear on another account. Once done, note the exact balance amount so you can follow the next removal steps without confusion. You now decide how to remove the balance, spend or request a refund. If you spend, purchase an Apple service or app until the balance is zero. This is immediate and simple. If you prefer a refund or transfer, contact Apple support, explain why and provide purchase history and account proof. Once done, support may issue a refund to the original payment method or offer guidance. Make sure to record case numbers and follow any instructions they give for verification. Finish by verifying your account balance shows zero. Check purchase history and account settings. If it still displays funds, reopen your Apple support case and provide the reference ID. Insist on escalation if necessary. Once done, try basic troubleshooting, sign out of Apple ID, reboot the device, then sign back in to force account refresh. If transactions are pending, wait 24-72 hours and monitor. If problems persist, you can request a formal investigation from Apple support to resolve stuck balances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.